So this is what you call the halfway point. Welcome to Project Vistagrand. So the reason why I call this the halfway point is because we are so close from being finished. I know it doesn't look like much now, but I see the finishing touches, all the dry rot, everything is removed, all the garbage. So right now we're just putting in the new fencing is all finished. We're gonna put in a brand new deck. As you can see behind me right now, what we're doing is we're putting brand new fabric down. They put the retaining walls in, removed all the ivy. So we're gonna give the curb appeal to this house. Awesome. And the thing is, you'll have one shot at getting this house on the market, and that's why patience pays off during these times, because sometimes it just seems like things are just dragging on. It just takes another week or 2 weeks. But the thing is, you have to have the patience, because that extra week could get that final detail finished to make your house shine. And when it shines, that means your house is gonna sell for top dollar. So let's go take a look at see what everything is finished. I'm gonna walk around with the contractor and make sure he's doing what we need him to do. So part of what I do as being a real estate agent that's behind the scenes is really just making sure contractors and the landscapers and the flooring guys, the painting guys, making sure everybody's doing exactly what we're envisioning when we first come to take a look at the house. Like, so walking around, just making sure that they're on the same page with you is huge, and making sure that everybody's happy. Because if we come back and everything's finished, what if there's 1 or 2 things that are not right? The way to fix that is coming in. I come at least 3, 4, 5 times in between different projects to make sure everybody's on the same page. So that's why you want to just make sure that we're all here and we all have one goal, and the one goal is to make this house look as good as we can for as little as possible to sell for top dollar. So be sure to catch part 3 of this series. That's when we're gonna be here with the stagers and getting everything exactly the way we need to be ready for the pictures and videos to put this thing blasted online and make this house famous. So make sure to watch out for that.